Hi guys, this is Clever from Golden Union, the professional sourcing and shipping agent with 10 years history. As an agent with a massive number of clients, we've also got firm relationships with manufacturers in different fields. And today we are going to visit one of them. So let's move to the factory, and I bet you will like it, even you have no idea what it is now. Let's go. So here we are in one of our best cushion and home textile suppliers. We knew each other and started our cooperation 4 years ago. It's not a long time, but we've been working with each other very smoothly during the updating and production of abundant orders. And our clients love this factory because they always provide reliable quality and up-to-date designs. And can you imagine that a cushion produced at $6 can be sold at $99 in a high-end home decor store? It's all because of the 2 points I've mentioned, quality and design. And some of you may think that cushion is not a good option to sell considering the big space it takes. But with the experience of my clients, I can say the cushion is one of the items that comes with highest profit margin because people are paying for the designs. The invisible and unmeasurable values are the point to make money, and especially in the home decor ranges. So now let's go around in the factory first. So we could see that they have 3 groups here: production group, designing group, and sales group. And each group stands for one feature: quality, designing, and business. So let's talk about the quality and design here. Just the cushion in my hand. It looks great, right? But do you know how we create it? First, the designers will make an artwork under the client's idea and requirements, and then they will pick the right materials to transmute the idea into an actual product. And this is the most difficult step. So just for this cushion, I'll share a story with you. There are tufts of extra thick yarns, and the yarns make the whole cushion fluffy and different. But the yarns require a thicker fabric of the body to hold them. So the total weight increases. And when the first sample was made, both my client and the designer found it was not as fluffy as expected. It's all because the increased weight put too much pressure onto the insert. The insert was just too weak to hold, which meant we needed to put more cotton into the insert. But at that time, the price of the cotton is quite high. Depending on the quality and weight of the insert, the price of that could be from $1 to $2. Then my client just rejected the solution because it's over budget. So the designers had to find lighter alternative body fabrics and shorten the tufts to get the balance between the cost and exterior. Then finally, we got a workable solution balancing both well. And when the cushions arrived, they soon became a hit in the local market. And just for this supplier, clients all love this bright and beautiful showroom. They can just pick the designs and matches in this room via cameras. That's quite easy. So now you can know the reason why our clients love to work with us. We have highly professional suppliers to serve you with patience and creativity until we get the best solution for you. And when you come up with an idea of product, we filter to get to a supplier that will work with easiest. Lots of time and energy is saved. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and see you next time. Bye.